Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add essential trust badges to your store using Shopify app blocks. Trust badges are a powerful way to build credibility with potential customers by displaying security certifications, payment options, and guarantees, right where shoppers need reassurance most. Let's walk through this step by step. First, head over to your browser and type in shopify.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Settings. This is your central hub for configuring everything from payment options to app installations, and it's where we'll start building out your Trust Badge setup. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice several options on the left side. Click on Apps. This section shows you all the applications currently integrated with your store. Now to add a new app, click on Shopify App Store. This will open up the entire marketplace of apps designed to enhance your store's functionality. In the App Store, use the search bar at the top and type Essential Trust Badges, then click on the app when it appears in the results. This app is specifically designed to help you showcase trust signals that can increase conversion rates by making customers feel more secure about their purchase. Once you're on the app's page, click Install. Shopify will redirect you to a new tab where the app requests access to some personal and store data. This is standard procedure, as the app needs permission to integrate with your store and display badges on your pages. Review the permissions and then click Install again to confirm. After the installation completes, you'll be taken to the app's dashboard. Here, click Create New Badge to start building your first Trust Badge. The app will give you options for where you want this badge to appear. You'll see choices like Product Page or Cart Page. For this example, let's click Product Page. This placement is ideal because it catches shoppers right at the moment they're deciding whether to add an item to their cart. Now you can customize how your badge looks. The app offers several badge types, including single banner, icon block, minimal icons, or payment icons. Each style serves a different purpose, so choose the one that best fits your store's design and the message you want to convey. You can also input a badge name to help you organize multiple badges if you plan to create different versions for different products or pages. This is especially helpful as your store grows and you want to track which badges perform best. Next, you'll have the option to adjust each icon individually. For example, click on Icon 1 to start customizing it. Here you can change the title and subheading to match your specific trust message, whether that's free shipping, money-back guarantee, or secure checkout. You can also swap out the icon itself and even add a call to action if you want to link to more information. Take your time editing each icon and tweaking the design until it reflects your brand and communicates the right level of trust. The visual consistency here matters because it reinforces your professional image. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Publish. Your trust badges will now appear on your product pages, giving customers that extra confidence they need to complete their purchase. And that's it. You've successfully added trust badges to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.